Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. A very good morning to you all. I hope that you all have a really nice day. So here we go then, we are back with close-up coins. It is episode 3 and for the first time we are going to throw some coins into the prize pot. So maybe some of these might be a little bit difficult. Now they are super zoomed in, so if they are a little bit blurry, that really is the aim of the game, to make them difficult. And some of them definitely will take some thinking. So they're going to be on the screen for around 10 seconds or so, just so you can get your eye in and see what they are. Then I'll stop talking, let you concentrate, and they will be on the screen that little bit longer, and that will give you that perfect opportunity to comment what they are in that comment section below, and most importantly, really to give you that little bit of extra time to try and work them out. You will have until Sunday lunchtime to get those guesses in the comment section below. I'll do the prize draw Sunday lunchtime on the same day as the prize draw of the top commenter of the week. And then Sunday lunchtime again really can be the giveaway day. I really do like trying to do the giveaway prizes all on the same day. It is a lot easier for me as well. And really is easier for you guys at home, really more organised that way, and we know exactly when those prizes are getting given out, so we really don't miss anyone. Talking of people not quite claiming their prizes yet, we still do need Jupiter coins and also Old Man Rob. So if anybody does see them, comment on the channel, as they haven't been here for the last couple of days. Please do let them know, and please do get in touch with me, as I don't have the email addresses, so I don't know really how to get in touch with them at the moment. So if you do see Jupiter Coins or Old Man Rob comment in the next couple of days, please do let them know that they have got some prizes on the channel. So get those comments below, everyone. I hope you all have a really nice day. All of the pictures of the coins are going to come back on the screen now. Good luck. I do believe 4 and 5 are the most difficult ones. Stay safe, and as always, thanks for watching.